Yeah, so now we will hand over to Manish. He would like to address the members for 2 minutes. Over to you, Manish.
Thank you, Madam President. Merry Christmas, Venusites. And we are looking forward to some good fun and laughter, which is our trademark apart from learnings. So today, a lot of fun and laughter around, and Sarita and Kamal have a lot of surprises. And already we have Kamal giving us the first surprise in the form of Santa. And then our spirit is indomitable, and whatever 2020 has to give us, but we'll still continue to rise and we'll continue to move forward. And I'm sure Madam President has much more things to offer in her remaining term. That's it. We look forward to this. Thank you. Over to you, Deepa.
Yeah, so now we will start the games for which we are gathered today. So thank you so much for all those who have made it, and big thank you to Sarita and Kamal for taking so much pain and for creating this nice fun Saturday morning. So let's start without any more delay.
Okay, so before we start anything, we would like uh, to. I would like to see everyone actually. Yeah, I would like to click a one group picture right now. But now the group picture style is we will be doing an action what you will be seeing on my face, and then we'll be clicking the picture. So we call this as a silly pic. Okay, and then we will start our whole thing, and because we want our members to look very nice in the pic with a nice morning smile, so that's why the first thing will be the pic. Okay.
Sarita, my all expression would look the same.
So you are our Santa, so Santa just does ho, ho, ho. Okay. So the first expression of mine is, so everybody be ready with that expression, and we'll be clicking a picture. And Priya, where are you? We don't want a picture with a wall.
वो अपने आप को राहुल द्रविड़ समझ रही है. The wall.
The wall. Okay. Okay. So the first expression, what I want everyone to do is to remove the tongue out on right hand side. Okay. So everybody gets the same picture. Okay. On a mark. तुम दाढ़ी खा जाओ कमल. On a mark. Get set. Go. Can someone also click the picture, because I'm having some image on. Can you click it? Can you click
Okay,
the?
I'll do it.
Where is Priya?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what was.
Or Madam President, you click it. You click kindly.
Yeah. No, everybody can click. That doesn't matter.
Because I have these some symbols coming on my image.
No, that is okay. We'll crop it. But where is Priya? Okay, never mind. Chalo, guys. Tongue to the right.
Tongue to the right. 1, 2, 3.
Done.
Awesome. Now, second one. We are going to make ears. We are going to make ears. Now, I don't know how you're going to click that. So we can, one person who is clicking can.
No, I'll call my house help.
Okay.
Bittu.
So we want ears. So this is our reindeer.
जरा ये फोटो खींचो ना ऐसे. एक सेकेंड. Are we ready?
One mark. Get set.
खींचो.
खींच के दो.
फोटो खींचने का है. हाँ ठीक है. Okay. Thank you.
Cool.
Done.
Now, the third one. Pout, please.
That might be a little difficult for guys.
No,
So
it's not difficult at all.
So I
It's not difficult at all.
will tell you the good version of how to pout is to say oats.
Oats.
And then
First time Santa is pouting.
when the recording stops, I will tell you the unofficial version of pouting.
बाद में बताओ. चलो click कौन कर रहा
हाँ.
है?
Okay, yeah, I'm clicking. I'm
Arman?
clicking.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, done.
Manish disappeared. I can
Manish.
pause that. He wants to hear the unofficial version. That's why he's trying to call you.
Manish, you cannot eat oats. We have to say oats.
Like oats
Okay.
anyway.
The fourth one, just smile.
With teeth or without teeth?
First without teeth.
Remove the teeth and then smile.
Over, Deepa?
Yes.
Okay. Now the last one, but not the least, they should also not feel bad. So we are just going to salute to our own selves that we have survived till today, and now we are going to welcome 2021. Awesome. You all were amazing. Good job.
So were you.
Okay. So, Kamal, you will take over to the next game of ours of Complete the Story.
Complete the story.
Hmm.
Yeah. So being the Santa, I would start the story, and after that we'll be going one by one to each person, and I would be naming the person randomly, and you have to say the next part of the story. Okay. So once upon a time, in a city called Mumbai, there was a gentleman named Manish. Okay, Manish was staying in Lokhandwala, and the day he moved out from his flat, he found. Over to you, Aditi.
The day he moved out of his flat, he found a lizard on the wall. He looked at the lizard and he said, "Oh my God, this is a lizard. It is so big." The lizard looked back at him with googly eyes and said, "Manish, I'm here to meet you. I was looking for your address and finally I found it." Okay, next.
मनीष को कोई ऑफिस की चिपकली याद आ गई.
Okay, so the person who is next will give a random name of somebody else, so that becomes easier. Hmm? Okay, Aditi, you pass on the name.
Usha.
उषा जी आप आवाज नहीं आ रही है. अभी तो म्यूट हो गए. Okay,
उषा जी,
no problem.
अभी भी आपकी आवाज नहीं है. आपने ऑडियो ऑन नहीं किया है.
वो पहले अनम्यूटेड थी, उन्होंने अपने आप को म्यूट कर दिया. ओके, अभी वो नहीं.
No, but we cannot hear her.
हाँ, तो
Even if
she was not saying anything that time.
Can you just unmute her, Kamal?
Yeah, I'm clicking on ask to unmute and she has to accept it. I think उनका screen pause हो गया.
Okay, no problem. We will go to we will give her a next chance. So over to Pranav ji.
Okay, so Manish gave her the water. Okay, and that lizard suddenly became dinosaur. Okay, and started running after Manish to eat him. Okay, and Manish from Lokhandwala ran to fort, and from fort he ran to Karjat, and from Karjat back to Lokhandwala. But that dinosaur, okay, was after him to eat him. But suddenly, then Manish realized because he sprinkled the water and that lizard became dinosaur. So why does he put a dryer on the dinosaur. So once again it would become smaller and once again become the lizard. Okay, Deepa ma'am.
Oh my god.
That was good, man.
So now this lizard was like getting too much on Manishi's nerves. So he was like, what do I do? What do I do? You know. So he finally said, let me go to the national park and look for the peacocks, because lizards are scared of peacocks. So he called up Jigish. Hi Jigish, what's happening, man? Where are you? I am headed towards national park because this lizard is bothering me. Will you come with me? Jigish says, why not? Anything outing, I'm always ready. This online internal is not my cup of tea. So finally they met, and then they saw the most beautiful peacock, and they took the peacock home. Manish can do anything. He's a rainbow entrepreneur. Nothing is impossible for Manish. And the lizard got scared that the lizard just fled off and vanished. And then Manish, you know what he did? Next, he called up Bindu ji. Bindu ji, मेरा नंबर का कुछ करो. ये lizards आ रहे हैं, मुझे peacock के पास जाना पड़ता है. So over to Bindu ji. What did you tell him?
Okay, so the moment he came and he was free from the lizard and from his fear, I put a Om and a swastik at his door to save him and guide him that he will be blessed and nothing negative will happen. Post that, he gets down the staircase and he removes his car and he says, I've had an eventful day. Let me go out and celebrate the evening with my Venus group. Calls up each one of us and he tells us that I'm inviting you all to a get-together. This get-together is at Lokhandwala. All of you please travel. The moment everybody comes, we celebrate Christmas. We sing some Christmas carols. We wish each other, and we end this year on a very good note. But there is some wordings and that somebody wants to share. So what is the sharing and what is the thing? So it is Johnson's who want some wishes. Over to you, Johnson.
Yes. So once that is done, Manish believes that particular lizard is not dangerous, and what Manish does is he does a Chu mantra, and the lizard turns into a peacock once again and starts dancing. And over to
We have Priya and Usha ji remaining.
Priya and Usha.
Priya.
Sarita is also yet to complete. No, Doc, tell us about her part of the story.
She would be the last one to complete.
You're on mute, Priya. You're on mute, Priya.
Okay, now that I joined midway, but then now when just like how the frog is kissed and turns to a prince, now the lizard is touched by Johnson and turns to a peacock. Now, time when everybody used to get fret from the lizard, want the lizard to go away, would not want to see it. All of a sudden, there's been this shift and this transition of the lizard now that is transformed to a peacock, that everybody wants to see it. Everyone wants to see the peacock. Everybody especially wants to see the peacock when it flutters its wings away. So now the peacock says to itself that if I really have to show people my true beauty, let everybody see it together. So let me go to a park. Let me go to a really beautiful park in Mumbai, something which is accessible to everyone. Everyone can come. So now, what better park than Lokhandwala, where Manish lives, So in the back road, that park that is there, so the lizard says, this is a nice place for me because there are not many peacocks here. So let me make this my home. Every evening and every joggers just wait there to have a glimpse of, including Manish, who keeps going there all the time, frequenting to see the peacock who he was once scared of when it was a lizard. Now the transformation has happened. And Usha ji, also feels that she should go and watch, the peacock. So over to Usha ji.
अरे उषा जी आपने फिर
उषा
अपने
जी
आप
आप
को म्यूट कर दिया,
आप
पहले
म्यूट,
unmuted थे।
हाँ आप अनम्यूटेड
थे, अभी वापस म्यूट हो गया। अभी हाँ, अभी बोलिए,
बोलिए।
जोर से बोलिए अभी। हाँ, जोर से बोलिए अभी। हाँ,
We can't hear her.
उषा जी आप माइक आपका
हाँ
ईयरफोन
उषा जी
लगाया है
आपका
क्या आपने?
टर्न।
I'll just call her up and inform her.
ओके, इसके बाद तो मनीष का टर्न है, तो फिर मनीष को फिलहाल लेके उसके बाद देन वी गो। अच्छा, बाय द वे ये स्टोरी में मनीष दयाल की स्टोरी नहीं है, मनीष नाम का लड़का था। आप लोग ने तो रेनबो एंटरप्रेन्योर बोल के मनीष दयाल के ऊपर लेके आए। ओके, या सो Manish, you have to complete this story. This is of another Manish. Huh?
Okay, so you guys are not going to come in the story, I guess.
No. Now first you will continue,
Yeah.
and then Usha ji, and then finally Sarita would
Okay.
conclude it.
Okay, so it so happened that the peacock became very famous, as as Priya informed us, and the number of joggers at Joggers Park suddenly multiplied, and there was a huge mass, and then the police started coming, and they said, "What about that rule of 50 people? What are you guys doing here? So many of you, have you forgotten COVID and stuff like that?" So the joggers would tell them that no, the peacock is so beautiful and it's giving us such nice views, and we're getting wealth and beauty and whatever we want, health, through this peacock. So please let us come and visit it. So then they broke down the entire jogging session into various slots, and people would apply online. There was an online platform created, and they would online apply for this and the peacock. And so the peacock became the center of sort of all happiness and wishes for people, and people would come there. I mean, for their for the peacock, to see the peacock and to get their wishes completed. So for whatever it is, be it wealth, be it happiness, be it love. So that's the story going on, and the peacock is very famous, and everybody's loving it. So over to you, Sarita.
Okay, so is Usha ji coming in, or should I end the story?
Let's ask her once.
उषा जी आपका आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, आप कंटिन्यू करना चाहेंगी स्टोरी?
I'll have to leave. Okay, excuse me. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Johnson.
Okay, Johnson. Merry
Johnson,
Christmas
Bye,
once
take
again.
care,
Bye, Johnson.
and enjoy your New Year.
Good morning, sir. Yes.
Okay, so after the peacock became very, very well known, also was counted as one of the auspicious one. So people used to come to see the peacock because there was someone who started this particular grape wine, that whoever sees the peacock, the more the people see, more easily the COVID will vanish from the whole universe. So all the people all over the world started coming in to see that peacock, and that's how the story ended, and that's how we are going to finish our 2020 as well. Awesome, guys, you were all amazing.
Thank you.
Super, super, super creative as well. Super. Okay.
Arey, Kamal ji, why did you change?
Okay, no problem. So, Kamal, would you like to say something, or should I take on a screen share?
Yes, you can do the screen sharing about that the third activity, right?
Okay, yes. So now we have one game where you have to guess the name of the movie. Now this is going to be the game where you'll receive the prize. The first one to add the name on the chat of the movie. The movie name has to come in full correct spelling as well. That person will be counted as the maximum person who gets the points will be counted as a winner of this particular game. So there will be some kind of so I will give you one sample example. And then this everybody has to unmute and can say that. Okay, 1 second.
So Kamal will do the scoring.
Yes, our financial guy will do the scoring.
Good, good.
So this is the easy one, which I'm putting it across. You have to all guess the movie name. Okay.
Queen.
Queen.
See, so this is how images will come on the picture, but that time now you don't have to say anything, you have to type it. Yeah. This was just a demo. Yeah. Okay, I'll put it across again. Just give me a moment, I'll put it in the sequence. And be as quick as possible. Some movies are new, some movies are old.
You need to do screen sharing again.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'll just give me a minute. And so that it comes in, I don't have to. Okay, done. So there are 25 pictures. Me. Put in the group immediately.
We can see it.
Awesome. What's this? Pranavji. Awesome. This was Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Cool. Next picture. अरे क्या था पिक्चर का नाम? अरे ये तो मैंने कितनी बार देखा है. Awesome. Munna bhai MBBS. Yes, Aditi, you got this point.
Hello, I wrote first, Sarita.
You wrote first? Okay. So the Kamal, you keep a track of it. I'm just
I
using
wrote
the slide.
first. Deepa, mine has come before you.
Okay, take it.
Okay.
Chalo, I give it to you.
Very easy. Very easy.
अरे ये कौन सा पिक्चर था यार? शिट.
हाय आ गया. अभी कॉपी करके ही लिख दो.
हाँ यस, मैंने प्यार किया. अभी प्यार सब उड़ गया रे.
Okay. Now the next one. Oh yes, Pranav.
Pranav is too good, man.
Next.
Pranav is going to win hands down.
Yeah, really. He said कि
Next.
मेरे लिए रखना.
Bang on.
Wow.
बहुत easy picture दे दिया लगता है. 1 2 का 4. राम लखन. Yes. No one? This is a repeat movie, by the way. A clue.
Pass.
Pass. Amar Akbar Anthony again. Amitabh Bachchan putting a tape on the mirror and saying the things. No, I think it's Satte Pe Satta, right?
Sarita, you are only not sure. Yeah, it's
Yeah, look
Satya
at-
Satta.
No, it's Satte Pe Satta. Sorry, it's Satte Pe Satta.
So give the points to everybody now.
Everybody take the point. I was wrong over here. Okay, next. Very easy. I loved this movie. And my favorite actor in this.
I show this scene in every training of mine.
अरे क्या बात है हाँ बट पिक्चर का नाम क्या है प्रणव has put राम राम मरा मरा मूवी
वो डायलॉग है लेकिन मूवी का नाम नहीं है.
मरा 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 that is what the whole scene was. No one. अच्छा one clue. Amir Khan in this.
Amir Khan.
Okay, Amir Khan's partner I will say now. Juhi Chawla. No.
Amir Khan, Juhi Chawla, Ajay Devgan, Kajol.
It
Right.
is Andaz Apna Apna.
नहीं.
अरे I
Andaz
said
Apna Apna. Yes, she got it. She got
अंदाज
no.
अपना अपना में
No,
सलमान
no.
खान था, अजय देवगन नहीं था.
No.
अरे
It's
नहीं सही give them one more chance now. Let them get. अभी इतनी
नहीं
हिंट
वो
के बाद
गिर
तो get
वो
कर सकते हैं.
बंदा गिर रहा है ना तो मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको संभाल रही
अच्छा.
हूँ
Okay. Now it is easy to guess. अजय देवगन है, आमिर खान है, जुही चावला, काजोल.
काजोल
ये अजय है ना, काजोल के पीछे जा रहा है.
हाँ
मुझे movie
कसरत
देखना
करते करते
पड़ेगा. I'll have to watch this movie. नाम बता दो.
जिन्होंने मेरा ट्रेनिंग अटेंड किया रहेगा उनको तो डेफिनेटली पता होगा.
रामा सी नाउ मेहरनोश is going
अच्छा
to guess it very right.
मैनुष गैस करो मूवी नेम.
he will guess it
बोलो
गाना
जिम्मी
बराबर
अगेन
बढ़िया गाना.
Chirali
Okay.
में
प्रणव
hey
का
that
आंसर आ
was
गया.
too bad
प्रणव ने
Pranav
आंसर
you
दे
have
दिया.
googled it you have
हाँ,
googled
नहीं, क्या रहेगा और क्या.
it okay so Pranav has nailed it again by
Ishq.
saying ishq and Priya is writing नींद चुरा ली तूने सनम song is absolutely correct okay this is going to be little tough नींद चुरा ली मुझे
अब मेरे को पता.
no one अच्छा इसमें
मैनुष easy है.
इसे क्लू दूं इसका एक्टर का नाम दूं कमल
हाँ दे दो. वो इतने में नहीं
अच्छा
करता.
इसमें है रजनीकांत
So it's a Hindi movie or South Indian movie?
no it's a Hindi this movie has been dubbed in Hindi also in a movie I cannot say no kalam palam some different pronunciation so okay chalo no koi baat nahi I will say this was little tough okay so this was Shivaji the Boss. He starts the life with 1 rupee and you know the whole story behind that 1 rupee and how he converts that 1 rupee into a miracle thing for himself. Okay, this was Shivaji the Boss. Now this is quite easy. Yes, awesome.
Three Idiots.
I like this image. There are multiple images of this, but this I like the most. But this scene also I like the most. Okay, this is quite old movie, but
छैया छैया
हाँ छैया छैया
छैया
पिक्चर का
छैया
नाम बोलो
गाना है.
छैया
दिल से
पिक्चर का
दिल से
नाम बोलो
हाँ,
दिल से
दिल से
yes
से बोल दिया।
Manush. Yes.
मैंने दिल से बोला है
This point actually goes to Mehernosh though, but you have to type in Mehernosh.
Oh, I'm not able to type in here. I'm on the phone. I'm
No,
outside now.
चलो ठीक है, एक मेहनत की दिया है। अरे
चलो
एक
कोई
क्या
नहीं।
हो जाएगा?
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं।
Okay.
Okay, this one. Did you get it, Kamal? I didn't show it to you also yesterday.
हाँ।
क्या हो गया? अच्छा, इसमें आमिर खान है। अब आ जाएगा।
I can remember his song. No, this is Pehla Nasha, Pehla Kuma, that
Yes.
movie.
जो
Yes.
But I
जीता वो
don't.
सिकंदर।
Yes. I'm unable to type because I'm on the
Yes.
phone.
So अभी ये दीपा को पॉइंट दे कि प्रणव को पॉइंट दे, बोलो, क्योंकि दीपा ने पहले बोला, उसका मैसेज हमने बाद में देखा। क्या करें प्रणव जी हम? आप बताओ।
Pranav is anyway going to win, Sarita. So
Anyway, Pranav is going to win. Doesn't make a difference. Yeah.
Okay. This is possibly quite easy. I think बिंदु जी आपने इसका न्यूमरोलॉजी किया है।
this is the infinity sign.
No, चश्मा नहीं है वो।
I'm so bad at
I have a
movies.
Navy lecture. I will have to leave. It was nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Okay.
Pranav. Thank you, Pranav, for coming. I think, Sarita, you can declare him as winner of the game.
No. Let it be fair. Let the game complete. No.
Okay.
Okay. This is Alia Bhatt is in the movie. Now I think it should be easy.
Highway.
Yeah! Yes, Mehro. ये पीछे से सिक्सर्स मार रहे हैं। Awesome. This is my favorite movie.
Chachi 420.
Can I say it?
Chachi 420.
Even I want to say it because I'm not able to type.
say.
No problem.
I think we
Say
should
it's
allow
okay. No
everyone to
problem.
say then.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah,
say
yeah.
Everybody का
Time
say.
लगता है।
Game will be more interactive and fun.
Yeah.
चाची 420 correct.
Yes.
Point दिया जाए।
तो ये किसको जाएगी पॉइंट?
ये मेहरनोश।
अच्छा।
Genius is about knowing when to stop. ये वर्ड्स को मत पढ़ो, ये घंटी को देखो।
It's little misleading, huh?
Ranveer Singh का.
नहीं, it's Khan.
I am not a terrorist. Nahi. What is the name of the movie?
My name is Khan.
Zero.
No.
Zero?
No.
Fan.
No. मगर ये बेल का है फैन में।
तो कोई भी मूवी में जा सकता है।
नहीं, कोई भी मूवी में नहीं जाएगा। ये टैगलाइन उस मूवी में ही है।
नहीं, वो तूने
Yeah, it
मारी
is
सीटी वो
Kajol.
कौन सा है वो?
No. It is Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan's movie.
Arey.
Famous, which has
No.
continued for
It's a
new
more than
day.
50 years.
No, it's two years back movie. So
Amir
3 years back. आलिया भट्ट। चलो आलिया भट्ट।
Okay.
महर बता दो यार। महर
My dear
बता दो।
Zindagi. No. Love you.
Dear
Love
Zindagi.
you, Zindagi.
Dear Zindagi.
Yeah, love you.
So
Zindagi.
he
Love you,
works
Zindagi.
with the timing. He works with the timer.
Yeah.
1 hour
right.
over.
Yeah.
The session is over. You
Got
can't
it, got
stay
it,
more
got
with
it.
me. That's what it is.
वो समय समाप्ति की घोषणा करता है.
Okay.
Hindi medium.
मगर इंग्लिश क्यों है?
English medium.
English. Yes,
Oh.
Aditi. Awesome. Shri Devi.
Yes.
Actually, this image also had a laddu, but laddu इसमें picture में नहीं दिख रहा है.
हेरा फेरी.
ये बहुत हेरा फेरी। यस, मेहरनोश पीछे से सिक्सर
Wow.
मारने वाले हैं।
मेहरनोश बहुत मूवीज देखता लगता है।
मेहरनोश पिक्चर देखना पड़ता है।
हाँ, this
देखता
is
नहीं,
that one.
analysis करता है।
This is that one.
वही।
वो-
यस, वही वो वाला।
वो वाला।
है याना का
वो
है
वाला
that
है।
song ना, कोई
दिल
कहे
दिल
यहाँ
चाहता है,
कहे,
दिल चाहता है।
दिल चाहता है।
Mernosh
Yes,
gets
yes.
the point. Awesome. दिल चाहता है। पिक्चर का नाम याद रखो, पिक्चर का नाम।
This is
This
strange.
is
The one with
ये
the
DDLJ।
kajol, na?
Chennai Express.
कौन बोला DDLJ?
DDLJ
DDLJ.
मैं बोला।
Yes, Mernosh.
Mernosh.
ये DDLJ नहीं, ये पूरा नाम बोलना चाहिए।
बोलो।
हाँ तो दिल
निभाए
वाले दुल्हन ले
दुल्हनिया
जाए।
ले जाएंगे।
तो मैं वही पहले मैंने ही बोला।
Mernosh नहीं बोला। Okay, I love this movie also.
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस।
Yeah.
My God.
Yes, it is Chennai Express. This you will know it. You received
Bazigar.
it.
Bazigar.
दिल
No, you
चाहता
received.
है, दिल चाहता है, बागवती।
हाँ भागवती, वो जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा।
Yes, Aditi.
Yeah,
No,
Zindagi
it's
Na Milegi.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Yes, it's
Yeah.
not Dil Chahta Hai.
Yeah.
So yes, Mernosh. Bagwati बराबर बोली, पिक्चर का नाम
अभी
गलत बोली।
Mernosh.
I love you, Mernosh. Public पर.
Love you too.
Thank you. Okay.
रब ने बना दी चोरी।
No.
Oh no.
चलती का नाम गाड़ी।
शोले, शोले।
शोले,
हाँ शोले।
शोले।
शोले। Aditi, देखो, I love you too, Aditi.
I love you too, सरिता। ऐसे ही देते रहना।
अभी ये बताओ मुझे कोई, तो मैं मानूं कि आप लोग हिंदी पिक्चर देखते हो।
अक्कल बड़ी के भैंस,
है ना।
अक्कल बड़ी के भैंस।
ये
Big Bull।
मूवी
नहीं 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 नहीं
मदर इंडिया, मदर इंडिया।
नहीं नहीं नहीं। एक को हिंट दे
बहुत
दे क्या
सारा
सरिता?
मूवी है।
सरिता हिंट
हाँ?
दे क्या उसको? अच्छा
हाँ, एक
करमचंद है ना,
hint
करमचंद इस मूवी में।
करमचंद जासूस।
नहीं नहीं
किसमें है?
वो कैरेक्टर पंकज अपना वो।
अरे दिस इज दैट वन ऑफ दो।
हाँ
शानदार।
पंकज कपूर।
हाँ पंकज
Yes,
कपूर
पंकज
है।
कपूर।
या पंकज
आमिर
कपूर।
खान का बांजा भी है इसमें।
या
और एक
हाँ।
इट्स ऑन द टिप ऑफ माय टंग, याद नहीं आ रहा है।
बिजली की
हाँ
मैत्रू की बिजली का मंडोला।
हाँ
यस, मैरनोश। ये मैरनोश पूरा नाम बोला उसने। मट्रू की बिजली का मंडोला।
बिजली का मंडोला।
That's the name of the movie.
I
Oh
think
my
Priya-
God.
Yeah, horrible movie. You should see this movie.
विराट कोहली की बीवी है उसमें।
सात खून माफ।
नहीं, सात खून में दाढ़ी वाला कौन है?
अरे दिस इज पद्मावती।
No.
टकला कौन है?
बाहुबली। कटप्पा।
मगर
बाहुबली हो सकता है या बाहुबली।
हाँ मगर ये
बाहुबली।
बाहुबली क्या?
पार्ट 1।
बाहुबली ने कटप्पा को
Part two।
क्यों मारा?
हाँ
क्यों
कटप्पा।
मारा?
पार्ट 2 कौन बोला?
मैं
पर मारा तो वन में था ना।
ये हाथ का एक्सप्रेशन इज देयर इन पार्ट 2 व्हेन ही इज सेइंग
अच्छा।
व्हाट शुड आई डू, आई हैव किल्ड हिम।
ओके या।
पार्ट 2 किसको
Good,
मिला
good।
जाए पॉइंट?
प्रिया को।
प्रिया 1 बोली।
I get
वो
no.
पीकू।
यस
My God.
यस।
मेरनोश कहाँ से डिप्लोमा किया आपने? हमें भी बता दो।
Netflix जिंदाबाद। So this was the end of our movies section.
Oh, lovely.
And how was
Thank you.
it?
Wow.
Super fun.
Awesome.
So
Very
there were few more movies which I wanted to add. I wanted to put around 50 movies, but I didn't know how much time was there.
Oh,
Then
you
I
should have
just
put,
added
yeah, we could
20
have fun.
25 ही डाले फिर मैंने. We have one more. So let's see. Okay, super. Thank you so much for active participation. Kamal, कौन है winner इस round में?
give me just 1 minute. मैं जरा एक बार फिर से रीचेक कर लेता हूँ। तो till then you can enjoy with each other. बातें करो, टाइम पास करो। मेरे को जरा 1 मिनट दे दो।
ठीक है.
Thank you Aditi for coming in and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas
And-
to you.
Aditi, your son is looking so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What's your name, Babu?
Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you.
Merry Christmas
And a happy new
Merry
year.
Christmas.
Yes.
and Happy New Year.
Guys.
See you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, Aditi. Merry Christmas and New Year. Happy New Year.
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Mehernosh is traveling.
Yeah. Out. That's why I logged in late.
Okay, no problem.
No, as long as
Nice.
people are joining members, that is the thing, because Kamal and Sarita have really, pulled up a good show.
Where are you going,
Yeah.
Mehmosh? Pune or something?
No, here only. I was in Bandra. Now going back to Andheri, back home.
Okay.
The next game, I actually really wanted,
Yeah, you
two
can
more
talk about
members
the
to be
next game
there.
by the time.
Yeah, I don't know. Binduji also locked out.
Yeah, she was there.
Yeah, she was there, and I don't know. She got a phone call or what.
No, she had to
Okay.
go by 11:30. She
Okay,
said, but I
Madam
don't know why she
President,
left.
my new intern Deepa has also joined.
Yes.
So we can ask her also to participate in
No,
these
of
games.
course, definitely.
Yes.
We would like
So
to
Deepa,
see.
you are welcome to Venus Club, and you can also participate.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Merry
Good
Christmas
morning.
to you.
Merry Christmas, ma'am. Merry Christmas.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, the scores are out. Pata palat gaya. Mehernosh is on first and Pranav on second.
Wow, I thought so. I
10
thought
right
so.
answers
Wow.
and Pranav has got 9 right answers.
Very good. So just
Wow.
Lovely.
And this is when Mehernosh joined half the way and
Yeah.
Pranav left half the way.
yes. But nevertheless, they are the winners, so you will get the prizes.
We are all winners.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yes.
Deepa, you noted down the names, right?
Yeah, I'm just noting it
Okay.
down.
Perfect. So
Okay.
over to you, Sarita.
Okay, so now over to you again, Kamalji. You will be playing that 2 truths and 1 lie. Yeah?
Yes. Okay. Now let me just add the new names. Okay, Deepa has joined, and who has left? Aditi and Binduji, right? And Pranav. Aditi.
Where is Manish? उषा जी आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आप पार्टिसिपेट करो ना
So Deepa, you have to, you have to follow the instructions of the game, and then something like that. So you have to listen to this.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Just a second. No? Achha, Johnson has also left. Yeah, I was just.
so can we
We have 6
can we skip
people now
skip this
participating in the
this game and want to play
Yeah.
this game we'll play
Yes.
Yeah,
We are all-
we
yeah
can play.
okay
Yeah, we want to play.
let's play
You want to play?
let's play
Okay, so how it will start is basically everyone has to say, think about the 3 points. Out of them, 2 would be true and 1 would be false. Okay, and you have to say those 3 points, and everyone else has to guess as to
कि
which
कौन
one is
सा
the
गलत
false.
है
हाँ, तो ये हम लोगों ने एक बार मनीष याद है हम लोगों ने एक बार ऑफलाइन भी खेला है ये गेम.
Yes. I remember.
So this time we are going to play it online.
so I'll give one small demo first so I'm going to say 3 sentences about myself you have to just say which is the lie okay so I'm going to say I like bindi I like targola and I like watermelon
What is the first one?
Bindi.
I like bhindi, I like targola, and I like watermelon.
So the false is you like
What is the
watermelon.
lie?
The lie is that you like
False
watermelon.
is. Acha, okay, false is watermelon. Okay.
The false
Who
is
else?
you like targola.
Targola, yeah, that one is false.
No, I like that targola also.
And you don't like bhindi.
I don't
That
know
is the
Targola
bindi.
actually. Targola क्या है? I don't know. I'll have to Google Targola.
Targola वो soft jelly जैसा रहता है इतना बड़ा नारियल जैसा taste आता है and you have to peel that thing and it's like lychee basically but not lychee.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So yes, bindi. I hate bindi. So bindi is the one is a lie. So that is how the whole thing is going to, people you have to enact it, say the sentence in a way that people will be confused to pick out your lie. Yeah.
So who will
Okay.
do the scoring in this, Sarita? You will do the scoring?
I will do the scoring.
And I also feel in this only 1 or 2 attempts should be allowed, because after that there are only 3 choices. So after 2 attempts doesn't make sense.
Yes. So only 1 attempt is allowed. Not even 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Because then then actually the answer comes out.
How do people respond, by chat or by speaking?
Okay.
No, by talking only. Talking is better.
No, by talking.
Okay.
By talking is better. Chatting was little.
So whoever answers
Okay.
first gets that.
So okay, we'll start with Kamal. Come on, you give your 3 sentences. Let them guess first.
Okay. I like to exercise. I like to dance, and I like to sing.
I like to
I
exercise.
like to sing.
I like to exercise.
Okay. Who said I like to exercise?
Me.
I. Mernosh and I both said.
Okay. Yeah. So you both get the right answer.
Okay.
See, NLP practitioner can guess it very right. Okay.
Because
so-
I'll tell you why you are able to guess. Because he has seen me singing also, and he has seen me dancing. In fact, he has shot my video also when we were dancing.
Hello, Binduji.
Oh,
Welcome,
good, Binduji, you
welcome.
came.
So this
I'm
point
going to
goes
be-
to Mehernosh, is it?
Yes.
I'll be in and out, please. I have to travel.
No
that's
problem.
why.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
No
Binduji,
problem, no problem.
so I'm sorry to actually interrupt in between, but Binduji, this was supposed to be done at the end of the meeting, but I will do it now since you may
Okay.
leave. Heartiest congratulations to you on your
Thank you.
TV, on your webinar being
Yes.
launched on Tata Sky, and we wish
Thank you.
all the very best.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
So
Thank you,
proud
darling. Thank you.
and
Congratulations.
so
Yes,
good to have
congratulations,
you as a
Binduji.
VP.
Oh,
Thank you.
congratulations. What exactly is this? I will watch
Yes.
it on Tata Sky.
It's a web series
Web
which
series.
is
Okay.
coming on. So we've already shot 7 episodes
Wow.
and the promos have started.
So we really look forward to it, and
Yes.
please advertise about this on our Venus Club Facebook page, and for Instagram page you can get in touch with Deepa.
I will.
Yes, so let's
Yeah.
show the world what Venus Club is made of, and
Wow.
who the members are of Venus Club, and what is the value of being a Venus Club member.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
now Bindu is there on our remote.
Yes.
Oh. I never thought of that word. How you got it?
That is Manish.
I
Yeah,
know.
that's Manish.
My pleasure.
Good. Thank
just
So,
you.
just a click away.
Yeah, so once again, all the best, and look forward to many more things. And it's very inspiring that you're always doing something new and inspiring everybody. So there are people like members of the Venus Club who don't let the pandemic affect them, which is brilliant.
In fact, I have spoken to the channel people that I'm part of the Venus group, and each one of them has a special, thing to add on. So they will probably shoot you all for one episode.
Oh
On
wow!
what is your expertise? It's a half an hour session,
Wow, super.
but it takes about 3 to 4 hours in the shooting. Then they have to edit it and then they read things. So I will be giving each one of you. I'll at least put down on what it is and what are the topics and the topics that are not repeated. That's very important. Anyway, that's for another day. Go ahead.
Wow.
Brilliant,
I'm excited.
brilliant.
We are
Very
excited.
nice.
Yes, definitely.
So thoughtful of you.
Yes,
Great.
really very thoughtful.
Actually, if possible, if one person takes the charge, name, contact number, email ID, and your expertise. We all do 10 things. We all do different things. But एक जो चीज आप best हो, USP है, वो मुझे डाल दो, and that I will forward it to them, and they will connect with you guys. Great. Thank you. Continue.
So,
Please
Madam
continue.
President, we can make a list like that and forward it to Bindu.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. 100%. And also people who are in after the members give their names.
No, this is voluntary. This is 100% voluntary, and it's not paid. There is no
Right.
commercial angle to it. They don't pay me,
Right.
and I don't pay them, both ways.
No, so
But
I'm
you
sure,
get the fame. Yeah.
you know,
Perfect,
Sarita.
perfect.
For
It's a
visibility.
branding activity.
Yeah.
It's a very
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Very,
branding
very, very
activity.
happy.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
Tata Sky is huge.
It's huge. 8 million viewership.
Yes, of course. No,
That's
no,
a
this
promise.
is. So you are our secret Santa, Binduji. You have given us the best gift ever. Wow.
You are our evergreen Santa, Bindu.
Yes,
How
yes,
sweet, how sweet. Thank you.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, so let's get on with the games now. And let's have Binduji participate because before she leaves again.
Okay. So, Kamal, are you there?
Yes, I just
Okay.
wanted to bring this bell
Okay.
because when she said Binduji is a secret Santa.
Okay. So let's start with Binduji right now.
Yes.
So, Binduji, we are playing a game of 2 truths and 1 lie, and you have to say 3 sentences about yourself.
Okay.
We will be guessing 1 lie which is there, which we'll be saying. So we have
Okay.
to guess your lie, and whoever
Okay.
guesses this first gets the point. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you have to
Fair
say 3
enough.
sentences. Yeah. Okay.
Any 3 you can say about yourself. Okay. So I'm a Bharat Bhushan awardee. I sleep for at least 8 hours a day, and I have an office at Atria Mall.
I sleep for
sleep
at least
8
8 hours a day.
That's a lie.
We all know it.
That's the biggest lie.
Not bad. Good
So
game.
+1 to Deepa. Next is Manish. Where is Kamal gone?
I'm here only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so should I start?
Make
The
it
first one
tougher
is
for
I sleep-
people. Manish, make it
Manish, make it difficult.
For 10 hours out of 24 hours we have in a day. Then the second is I've done a job, and the third is that I don't like business.
Pretty obvious. The jobs one.
The job one.
Pretty obvious.
Yes.
Yeah?
I've done a job.
The answer is wrong. The obvious ones you guys have missed.
I love business.
I love.
I said I don't like
I
business.
don't
I
love
don't like
business.
That has to be the
Yeah,
obvious
third one.
lie, yeah.
You don't love business. Yes.
Yeah.
The job that he has done.
Yeah, so there's only one job I did for a month in my entire life, so not
Yeah,
many people
that
know
you had-
about it. Yeah.
Okay. So who gets
Yeah.
the point? Who said that? Nobody
I
gets
said
it.
I don't love business.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Deepa said that. Yeah, eventually, yeah.
So this Deepa is leading. Okay, no problem. Okay, Priya.
So, I am very passionate about animal welfare. Then I hate dancing. I just can't dance at all. And I have we have a farm of ours. A
Yeah.
farm like an organic farm.
Dancing one is your lie.
Organic
Yes.
farm, I would say.
Dancing one.
Dancing one.
We have an organic farm.
Binduji.
Yeah, because she's got those hands that she loves to.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So
Deepa.
Priya, I would like to order from your organic farmer.
In Himachal it is.
Okay.
Whatever you'd like to order, let me know.
Yeah, okay.
Deepa.
Which is fertilized by our,
Am
by
I
our
audible?
own homegrown
Yeah, let them
earthworms.
finish.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, now
So
my
apples
turn.
are available. Apples are available in your farm.
Yes. वहाँ पे एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड्स ही रहते हैं ज़्यादा हिमाचल में.
Yeah.
So yes, Deepa. Deepa, you're ready?
Yeah.
with your
Yes.
3 sentences.
So I am standing and attending the meeting. I have a 2 BHK house, and I love to talk.
You're
I have
standing.
a 2 BHK house.
Standing and attending the meeting.
That's a lie. Because she's in one position, how can she
Yeah.
handle?
Yeah, the first one. The standing and taking the meeting is alive.
प्रिया को दे दो point.
Correct.
एक तो point मिला आज.
प्रिया को दूं?
हाँ प्रिया को दो ना, उनका पहले आया.
No, I can stand still also and attend the meeting. Not that.
Okay, try doing it from now onwards.
So the fun part is that
But your house is 3 BHK, no?
No, yeah, Sarita.
The 2 BHK converted into a 3 BHK right now.
It is 2 only. The half room is for the staff. But now I have put it up to the universe for a bigger house.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's us too.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay, so now Mehernosh. Mehernosh, are you there?
I'm a W3 coach.
Okay, no problem. Usha ji.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Mehernosh is there. चलो Mehernosh आ गए. तब तक उषा जी
Yes.
unmute पे.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay, so I have acted in an ad. I have done scuba diving. I have done skydiving.
Okay. Easy.
I think
Skydiving.
scuba diving.
Scuba.
Skydiving.
Skydiving. I've not done skydiving.
Yeah.
Who said that? Deepa said?
Yes.
Yeah.
अभी NLP टीचर की शिष्य हूँ तो थोड़ा face देख के पता चल रहा है झूठ क्या बोल रहे हो, है ना?
Yes. I accessing tube देख लिया आपने.
Getting there.
Very good. Congratulations.
Yes.
तो अभी उषा जी और दीपा are remaining.
No, I did mine, Usha ji.
No, another Deepa. Deepa.
Yeah,
Agarwal.
Deepa. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Agra.
नहीं, अगरवाला.
Okay, so Usha ji, unmute कीजिए अपने आप को.
हाँ. हो गया. Unmute हो गया.
नहीं,
हो गया.
हाँ.
हो गया अभी?
बोलिए.
हाँ हो गया.
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है.
बोलिए अपने बारे में.
I am good speaker.
दूसरा, तीसरा.
I like working, and I like dancing, singing, and I am a drinker.
So I am a drinker is a lie. You are a good speaker.
Yes.
Yeah, I am a drinker is a lie. I will also say that.
अभी आपको ड्रिंकर बना देंगे 2021 में, डोंट वरी.
अभी मैं किसको पॉइंट दूं? कमल को दूं कि दीपा को दूं कि मनीष को दूं?
मनीष.
I am not playing ना. We both are.
मनीष.
ठीक है, चलो दीपा को देती हूँ. नहीं, मनीष को नहीं देना है मुझे.
Givers gain.
I am very partial.
That's fine.
I like to bias.
Anyway, I
ऐसा
just
झगड़ा होना चाहिए ना कि नहीं उसको पॉइंट क्यों मिला, मुझे चाहिए ये पॉइंट.
सरिता, गिफ्ट देना तो मेरे हाथ में है, so don't worry.
Yeah, she can gift herself.
Okay, so yes, Deepa.
Ma'am, it's me.
Yes, you.
DIPA.
Okay, I can do cartwheel. I can speak 5 languages, and I am a calligrapher.
Calligrapher.
I know it.
I'm a calligrapher.
We all know very little about you. I mean, especially the Venus.
I know the truth.
Then it's difficult to guess the good.
Yes.
What was the first one you said? Can you repeat?
Cartwheel.
I can do cartwheel.
Cartwheel. Okay. Manish, send me her resume fast.
Well, her resume doesn't have any of these 3 points.
Oh.
I would say calligraphy.
Yeah, even I would think that.
I would say cartwheel.
But if she's your intern, she might be good at calligraphy. But I don't know.
I would say cartwheel.
So
Okay, Deepa ma'am knows Deepa well.
Ah!
Definitely.
Yeah, cartwheel anyway is a little bit of a boyish sport, na? So maybe.
No, not at all.
Oh,
Oh,
don't
Manish, please.
don't
It's
dare
not-
to say such thing.
It's not a boys thing at all. It's also a girls thing.
Achha, okay, sorry then.
But now we can't do cartwheels because the floors will start rumbling. So let it be.
Manish president lady hai. Okay, be careful.
Yeah, we have majority of females in Venus Club.
And now Manish, you are surrounded by 2 Deepas.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this round winner is only one because other all there's a tie between Bindu, Priya, and Mehernosh. So I would rather give one prize.
Yeah.
No, then play one more. So do something that the tie.
We give tie prizes. So we give 3 prizes for second and 1 for first.
Okay, we can.
Yeah. So you tell me.
सबको मिल गया. So, okay,
Yeah, Christmas
so
spirit
the
को
first
नहीं
is
जाना
Deepa.
देगा.
Yeah, the first is
भाई
Deepa.
काम करो,
Second is
जितने भी पार्टी
Bindu.
सब लोग आए ना सब लोग को देना.
हाँ, अभी मैं वही करने वाली
That's a
हूँ.
very good idea. वो अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yes. So
So
second game
Deepa,
is
Bindu
Deepa.
and Priya. Bindu, Priya, and Mehernosh is a tie.
So all the
So
attendees get
Sarita,
one
tie
prize.
is for the first prize or second prize?
Second.
Okay.
Okay, and first prize, Madam President wins hands down.
Yes, Madam President. She's always the winner in games, huh?
Manish,
Yeah.
The Lady Luck is always next to her.
I've never won in school and college. ये सब अभी लेट हो रहा है. अभी शनि देवता अभी मेरे पे प्रसन्न हुए हैं.
शनिदेव को बोलो हमारे ऊपर भी कुछ दयावान दिखा दे.
दया दृष्टि
लेकिन अगर सब लोग को प्राइज दिया ना तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से 100% अटेंडेंस रहेगा.
ये बात हो रहा है.
Oh,
That's a
yes.
great idea. Great idea.
All the attendees
Actually.
getting a prize.
Kamal, still it will not be 100%.
prize only to the ones who attend.
Yeah, naturally.
Seriously.
I mean, come on,
Yes.
Christmas celebration,
Okay.
दिवाली नहीं अटेंड किया ये तो कर लेते एटलीस्ट साल का लास्ट सेलिब्रेशन.
Yes,
I am
of
surprised
course.
why people are not attending.
It's okay. Let's enjoy whoever is.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
Now we
next-
have a last game. We have a last game, and I will not say anything about it. I will just put it on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Will you just give me a moment to click all the pictures together? So you all can talk by that time. By the time I'm selecting the picture.
Priya,
Okay.
Priya,
हाँ जी.
we are missing your sea view today in the background.
Seconded.
Because I've come to my other apartment.
हाँ तो वर्चुअल
Oh,
बैकग्राउंड लगा
okay.
दो.
Powai apartment.
Oh,
वर्चुअल
wow.
बैकग्राउंड लगा दो.
Yeah, you
Manish-
should have a party, man. You have two apartments. What are you doing?
Yeah, we are going to have a house party for New Year's. In fact,
And
my friends
hello,
are coming
we are
tomorrow
not
onwards.
invited. अरे अपने को फोन मैसेज नहीं आया ना अभी तक.
नहीं
हाँ, how?
अपने
Priya,
घर
मुझे भी
वालों
नहीं आया।
को
invite
अपने
or
घर
not?
वालों
We are
को थोड़ी
coming.
कोई इनविटेशन देता है.
अरे बट बताता तो है ना कि
एड्रेस तो देता है ना
party है.
एड्रेस.
कुछ
अच्छा,
नहीं तो
मैं-
हम अपनी प्लेट चम्मच ग्लास लेके आ जाएंगे.
Chandivali Powai. I'll give the address.
Yes, sure.
देखो तुमने
game is
चांदी
on the
वाली
screen.
बोला, चम्मच बोला और यहाँ पे चंदा
चंदा.
चमके चमचम आ गया.
Okay.
And this
Okay.
one.
So this is a tongue twister and
Fana,
no,
Fana.
एक minute.
चंदा
Fana.
चमके
No, we are
चमचम
not guessing.
चीखे
We are not guessing. No, we are not guessing. Wait. Let me
Okay.
share the rules.
चीटी
So
चाटे.
we have to
चकोरी चीनी.
say this
Oh my God.
sentence 5 times, and everybody will get a chance.
Wow.
So let's see. Start.
Okay.
Who will start?
Deepa,
Kamal,
Deepa.
naam.
I will start.
Okay.
Deepa would start. Yeah.
पंखा कर.
Chokan.
Okay, I'll start.
Yes.
चक्का चमके चमचम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी, चकोरी चीनी खोर.
One.
चंदा चमके चमचम, चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी, चकोरी चीनी खोर. चंदा चमके चमचम, चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी, चकोरी चीनी खोर. चंदा चमके चमचम, चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी, चकोरी चीनी खोर.
Okay, stop, Deepa, stop. 1 minute. So what we'll do, we want to make it a little fun. We will do one thing. We will, let everyone say one time in a whole thing, because we have around 7 of different tongue twisters. So let everybody say it just once, and I will just sing this one because it is in the song Fana. So I'll say, Chanda chamke cham cham cheekhe chaukanna chor, cheeti chaate cheeni chakori cheeni khor. So this was the rhythm from the song though.
Yeah.
But yes. So let everybody one by one unmute, and you can say that once only, so that we can all say all of them in a sequence.
Sure.
Mayanus wants to say.
Okay.
Yes, Maharaj.
Chanda chamke cham cham, cheekhe chaukanna chor, cheeti chaate cheeni, chakori cheeni khor.
Wow.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Yes, Manish.
Chanda chamke cham cham, cheeky chakanna chor, chini chate chini, chakori chini khor.
So how many times, Priya, you must be using tongue twister for your with your clients to practice?
All the time in repetitive
No.
passages.
Come on, now you start.
But ये हिंदी में हाँ?
हाँ हिंदी में ही आप
तभी तो because of you we had to make in Hindi.
Okay. चंदा चमके चम चम, चीखे चौक. Wait. चौकन्ना हाँ. चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी चकोरी चीनी खोर. इसलिए देखा मेरे जानबूझ के हिंदी सिलेक्ट किया कमल ने.
Okay.
That was the best one, I would say, Priya.
Okay. So कौन बाकी है? उषा जी बोलेंगे?
Sarita, you can add a twist to this more.
Please share.
Of course, the tongue twister one has to say it, but again say it in a different accent.
Okay, that's interesting.
Wow, that's nice.
Okay, let's take another one.
That will be more fun.
Okay, let's take another one. काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर. Okay, Mehrnosh, would you? No, Mehrnosh can't.
Yeah.
No, Deep.
Yeah.
Deep. No, 1 second. Manish has not tried. No, who has not tried?
Deepa is not right. Deepa Agarwal.
Usha ji
Deepa
was not.
Agarwala and Usha ji.
Usha ji.
So Deepa, you try.
Okay, ma'am.
And Deepa
Kala
say it
kabootar.
in an accent, some different accent.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try. काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर.
Okay. With an American accent, please.
Okay, I'll try. काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर.
Yeah. This was good. Yeah, this was a nice twist, Deepa.
Yeah.
Okay, Usha ji.
11.
अच्छा, क्या हो गया उषा जी को?
मैं बोलूं
I can't.
हाँ
बोलो.
काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर.
Very nice.
Very nice.
काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर.
Oh, this was awesome.
Oh, this is too good.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, Mehrnosh.
काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर.
Johnny Lever
This
style that
finally
was.
prize should go to Mehrnosh.
Deepa.
काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज, काला तरबूज सफेद कबूतर.
Hey, that was too good, man.
That was good. That was really good. Manish, did you say that? Come.
Okay. I can't see that thing on my screen anymore. 1 minute. Okay, I can see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Kala kabutar, safed tarbooj. Kala tarbooj, safed kabutar.
कमल ट्राई करना है?
नहीं, सब लोग ने कर लिया ना. तिरंगी बाबू.
करूँ change?
Yeah.
Okay, this is amazing. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुला गया, तुला हुआ तोला ताले के तले हुए तेल में
तोतला
तल
बन
गया.
तोतला बन जाएगा.
तल गया.
पहले प्रिया को दो.
ये पहले प्रिया को दो.
प्रिया को दो.
प्रिया.
तेरे लिए हमने गेम बनाई है.
प्रिया.
तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया.
एक मिनट, once more, I'm recording it.
Yeah, the recording is on only.
तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला ताले के तले तले हुए तेल में तल गया.
Not bad.
इंग्लिश सिखाते हिंदी भूल गए हम.
आज अगर प्रिया नहीं होती तो मजा इतना नहीं होता.
I swear, प्रिया.
अभी हम लोग ये सब है ना दिखाकर प्रिया को ब्लैकमेल कर सकते हैं.
Now who can sing this? Who can sing this?
और दीपा है ना, दूसरी दीपा.
हाँ, दीपा अगरवाला.
हाँ.
अग्रवाल.
नहीं, अगरवाला है वो. अगरवाल नहीं है.
दीपा, how do you pronounce it?
दीपा अगरवाला.
अग्रवाला.
So I guess you're a Bori, right?
I'm a Marwari, ma'am.
Marwadi, okay. So Agarwala is numerologically or it's Agarwala only?
Ma'am, actually it's Agarwala, but there's a mistake in my birth certificate, so I have to mention Agarwala everywhere.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, Deepa, your chance now.
Okay, तोला राम तोला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला ताले के ताले हुए तेल में तल गया.
You have to say it in accents.
ताले के तले हुए तेल में.
तोला राम तोला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तोला हुआ तोला ताले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया.
This was amazing.
Mernash, you say it would
Mernash.
be. Yes.
राम ताला तोल के तोला हुआ तोला ताले के लेते हुए तेल में तल गया.
Wow, yeah, this is too good, man.
Superb.
Would you try?
Who's going next?
Usha ji.
तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला ताले के तले हुए तेल में जल गया.
उषा जी, अब गा के सुनाइए.
तुला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तल गया, तुला हुआ तो तोला ताले के तले हुए तेल में जल गया. नहीं आ रहा.
Not bad.
Okay, we'll go to the next one.
Yeah.
ओके, पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता। Manoj,
you're mute. You're mute.
You're mute.
पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता।
Wow.
पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता।
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है शक्ति कपूर बबीता को बुला रहा है।
I think Manoj deserves a role in Bollywood movies.
Yes.
आओ ललिता।
आओ।
लगता है NLP में भी ऐसा कुछ थोड़ा
Here we have Sarita, so you have to say, "Oh, Sarita."
आओ सरिता।
Okay. Amazing. प्रिया मुझे बस आज तेरे से ही हिंदी सुननी है आज।
अच्छा, लेकिन मैं अभी एक्सेंट में बोलने वाली हूँ।
हाँ, yes.
तो ये I like this image. I like.
तुम कुछ भी बोलते हो एक्सेंट में ही लगता है वैसे भी।
आपसे तो एक्सेंट शुरू होता है। ओके। पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता।
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई फॉरेनर बोल रहा है।
Exactly.
I like this image very much.
मनीष
पका पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता।
दीपा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर।
હવે પાકે પેડ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पकड़ा पपीता।
गुजराती बेन।
दया बेन।
ओके, कमल यू विल ट्राई दिस वन?
नहीं अभी दीपा को देंगे, दीपा अग्रवाला।
I'll say it fast, okay sir. पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता।
Wow.
Nice.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
तो हमने प्रिया से सीखा था कि प नहीं बोलते, फ बोलते हैं।
तो पके पेड़ पपीता, पकड़ा
पेड़ या पका पपीता।
पका पपीता। ख भी नहीं बोलते। ख भी नहीं बोलते।
I can imagine if we were offline and playing this game, we would all have been rolling.
Yeah,
I swear.
ख भी नहीं बोलना, क भी नहीं बोलना, फ एंड ख बोल के बताओ।
पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़ा पेड़ या पका पपीता।
Okay. Can we have a rolling R, the American R?
Manish, stop the fucking.
Okay, let's move on, guys. We are getting recorded.
Oh, recording अपने बात ही है।
Yes.
समझ के समझ को समझो, समझना भी एक समझ है। समझ के जो ना समझे मेरे समझ में वो ना समझ है।
हो મને ચક્કર આવે છે।
ये गोविंदा के गाने में भी था।
समझना के ये समझ है, समझ के ये ना समझो मेरे समझ में वो ना समझ है।
So who's going next? Deepa, now you start.
Yes. Okay.
बाकी कोई नहीं है क्या?
है ना, सब लोग हैं। बिंदु
हम सिर्फ 6 लोग हैं।
नहीं, हाँ, yes, 6।
8 है।
ऐसे 8 है, ऐसे 6 है।
हमारा 80 के काफी है।
Absolutely.
Okay ma'am, I'll start.
Yes.
समझ के समझ को समझो, समझा समझना भी एक समझ है। समझ के जो ना समझे मेरे समझ के वो ना समझ है।
Not bad at all.
Mernosh, go.
समझ के समझ को समझो, समझना भी एक समझ है। समझ के समझ को जो ना समझे मेरी समझ में वो ना समझ है।
Good one.
उषा जी।
समझ के समझ को समझो, समझना भी एक समझ है। समझ के जो ना समझे मेरे समझ में ना वो समझे।
मनीष।
कुछ नया नहीं।
आपने थोड़ा सा वो नाउन चेंज कर दिया उषा जी।
अच्छा, और एक है मेरे पास, मैं दूसरा स्लाइड करूं?
या
हाँ।
हमारा फेवरेट हिंदी लोगों का स्टेपल फूड।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़, पापड़ पापड़ पापड़।
ये इन्होंने नया बना दिया, वाह।
This one people should say 10 times. Only then they should get a point for it.
Yes.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, पापड़ पे ऊपर पापड़, कच्चे पापड़ पे पक्का पापड़, पक्के पापड़ पे कच्चा पापड़, बोलो कितने पापड़?
रीडल हो गया।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, पप्पा पाकड़ कच्चा पाकड़ कापड़ कापड़।
तो माकड़ हो गया।
Priya, your highlight for tongue twisters, today.
Yes.
कच्चा पापड़।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, 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 कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़,
मुंह भी हिल रहा है उसका।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़।
Impressive, man. Impressive.
This was awesome.
हम अपने पेट के लिए यही काम करते हैं।
लोग पहले ही रटते थे ना, ऐसी रटते थे।
अच्छा काम करते हैं।
Yes.
ओके, एक मिनट, ये मेरे खत्म क्यों हो गए? 1 सेकंड ना। नहीं, और थे।
खत्म मत करो तुम, खत्म
नहीं
खत्म हो जाओगी खत्म करते करते।
ये मैंने सिलेक्ट किए थे, सिलेक्ट क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं? उप्स,
क्योंकि वो बोल रहा है टाइम हो गया 11:24।
Exactly.
नहीं, दो और।
अच्छा ठीक।
अच्छा, ये ज्यादा पिक्सल वाला पिक्चर्स नहीं कर रहा है सिलेक्ट।
कोई नहीं, इम्प्रॉम्प्टू कुछ दे दो सरिता।
हो गया।
ओके।
और हिंदी लिखना पड़ेगा मुझे फिर।
हाँ, ये महनोश बोल सकता है। इसमें साथ में एक वर्ड और डाल दो ना, महनोश। मदन मोहन मालवीय महनोश मद्रास में मछली मारते
मरे।
मारे।
अरे महनोश किधर है इसमें?
हमने डाल दिया।
अच्छा।
मदन मोहन मालवीय मद्रास में मच्छी मारते मारते मरे।
मछली
मारते मछली।
Is this a true statement?
हाँ।
True or false?
What do you mean by true statement? We don't know.
Actually ऐसा होता ना कि मनीष, नहीं अगर ऐसा होता ना कि मनीष मद्रास में मछली पकड़ते मारेंगे तो समझ में आता।
I like another one actually. I'll just slide one second now. Yeah, I like this one. This is nice.
लाला गोपाल गोपम दास। अरे गोपू is.
I am reminded of our member Gopu.
लाला गोपाल गोपाल।
लाला गोपाल गोपम दास नहीं गोपम दास।
Deepa, you know the other Deepa is looking very confident about this one, huh?
गोपम गम।
लाला गोपाल गोपम दास।
लाला गोपाल गोपंगम दास।
गोपंगम है कि गंगनम है? इस गंगनम स्टाइल।
गोपंगम है।
I can imagine Gopal
गोपंगम दास
style.
Open Gangnam style. Lala Gopal Gopam Gangnam style dance.
Yeah.
Lala Gopal Gopam Gangnam.
Why don't we do it on different sound tunes? Song tunes.
हाँ, good idea.
Yes.
This is very nice.
ऊंची ऊंट की ऊंचाई से नहीं होती है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की होती ही।
पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की अच्छा से नहीं होती होती है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की.
Good one.
पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की ऊंचाई से नहीं होती, होती ही है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की.
पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की ऊंचाई से नहीं होती, होती ही है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की.
Wow, that's Rajkumar.
Yes. Yes, Priya.
पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की ऊंचाई से नहीं होती, होती ही है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की.
Finally,
ऊंचाई से
the
नहीं
first
होती.
word.
वाह 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 वाह.
सीख गई प्रिया हिंदी सीख गई.
मेरे पास एक हिंदी का क्वेश्चन भी है सबके लिए.
हाँ,
I will ask you at the end.
अच्छा, okay.
पूछो,
Okay,
पूछो.
दीपा
Can I ask now?
अग्रवाला.
पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की ऊंचाई से नहीं होती, होती है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की.
होती ही है.
हाँ, ही छूट गया.
मैं बताऊंगा.
मनीष would try.
Okay. पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की ऊंचाई से नहीं होती, होती ही है पीठ ऊंची ऊंट की.
वाह वाह वाह
ये तो
वाह.
ऐसे लग रहा है एक चुटकी की सिंदूर तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. ये टोन था.
सरिता मनीष को मैं एक देता हूँ ट्विस्टर.
बोलो.
ऊंचे ऊंट की पूंछ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ का ऊंट ऊंचा. ऊंचे ऊंट की पूंछ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ का ऊंट ऊंचा.
ऊंचे ऊंट की पूंछ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ का ऊंट ऊंचा.
ऊंची ऊंट की पूंछ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ का ऊंट ऊंचा. ऊंचे ऊंट की पूंछ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ का ऊंट ऊंचा.
ऊंचे ऊंट की पूंछ होती ऊंची, ऊंची ऊंट का ऊंट.
पोछा पोछा बन गया, पोछा ऊंट का बन गया.
पोछा हो गया. हाँ, झाड़ू पोछा हो गया.
और सबसे फनी तो अपना वो है टंग ट्विस्टर. रोटी खा के पॉटी जाऊं या पॉटी जाके रोटी खाऊं. Anyone should try this and you are going to mess up big time.
रोटी खा के पॉटी जाऊं या पॉटी खा के रोटी खाऊं.
अरे यार.
अरे guys, we need to meet up. Yeah, I'm missing all this seriously.
Yeah.
जो हंसेगा
जो हंसेगा वो
कमल से
फंसेगा,
सुना है,
जो
हंसेगा वो
फंसेगा वो
हंसेगा.
हंसेगा.
सब साथ में बोलते हैं. सब साथ में बोलते हैं.
Yes.
हाँ.
जो
हंसेगा
वो
फंसेगा, जो
फंसेगा वो
हंसेगा.
If you remember the Three Idiots dialogue, मैं हंसूंगा
मैं हंसूंगा. Yes.
और तुम रोओगे. So that was so जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
Yes, मैं हंसूंगा. I saw Three Idiots 3 days ago only.
Wow. I think it was in the end when he wants that
Phung-Suk Wangdu.
Phung-Suk Wangdu से signature चाहिए.
नहीं वो उस टाइम में नहीं होता है, वो पहले होता है. Before you know.
पहले भी और बाद में भी दो टाइम है ये सीन.
अच्छा.
चलो प्रिया बताओ.
हाँ, तो मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
Yes.
Which I'll have to ask, so you'll have to exit the screen. तो आप लोग पहले कर लो ये. Okay.
कर दिया.
Yes, Deepa, Betty butter, bitter butter. The bitter butter was better. So Betty butter, better
Betty
butter.
butter, but the bitter butter was better. Shruti butter, better butter to make the bitter butter better.
हाँ, ये तो प्रिया तो फटाफट बोलेगी. ये तो उसमें तो महारत
कोई तो मैं पूछ रही थी इंग्लिश के 10 sisters है क्या?
So the
इसके लिए इंग्लिश इसने हमने डाला ही नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं. Okay.
Betty butter butter, but the butter was
प्रिया ने
bitter.
इंग्लिश
So
में
Betty butter
एमए किया
better
हुआ है
butter
और
to
हिंदी
make
में
the bitter butter
पांचवी
better.
बात है.
next time we should have in Marathi.
हाँ
Should have in
नहीं कमल, you're
Marathi.
absolutely right. इसलिए देखो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ आजकल.
Wow.
नहीं, I just realized that हमारे देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में ना बहुत we have a variety of sounds. So then I bought this and I bought the बाराखड़ी. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक अक्षर है जो मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा है. I don't know what it is. तो मैंने सोचा शायद वो त्र होगा, क्या होगा, I don't know. So I thought that why not ask my Venus family.
Yes.
So आप जरा देखो and tell me which is this अक्षर, this one.
न्या
गना
ज्ञान का ज्ञान.
Can you give me
nya.
one word with
ज्ञान.
ज्ञान
का एक्चुअली प्रोनाउंसिएशन है ज्ञान.
Nyan.
Nyang, 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 nyang.
Glottal है ना, glottal है.
बराबर.
See, I'll tell you, it will be a glottal. Why? Because it has come from ये एक family का ch ch j j
Nya,
ch ch j
nya,
j.
nya, na, na, na.
क्या होगा
Nya.
अभी गुजराती को पूछेंगे न्या, सिंधी को पूछेंगे न्या, पारसी को पूछेंगे न्या, ऐसा
कोई
होगा.
वर्ड नहीं है क्या इससे, कोई वर्ड है क्या?
दीपक
ज्ञानेश्वर, you know सन ज्ञानेश्वर का जो लिखते हैं ना ज्ञानेश्वर, उसमें ये आप देखेंगे सन ज्ञानेश्वर.
ज्ञान, ज्ञान.
ज्ञान,
आप
तो ज्ञान.
हिंदी में अज्ञानी हो, अज्ञानी, ज्ञान.
मैं अंगूठा छापू एकदम.
हम लोग को पॉइंट्स मिले प्रिया, हमको आता है हिंदी.
हाँ, और सब सारे वो स्पॉन्सर मनीष करेगा.
दीपा जी, आपकी क्या है इस बात पे राय? ज्ञा है क्या? ज्ञा है?
यहाँ है.
हाँ, सी.
जो भी टीचर ने सिखाया वही है.
We have given Hindi राष्ट्रभाषा till COVID, so I am telling you. COVID नहीं, sorry, COVID.
Thank you everyone.
Yes. So now, who's the winner of the game? Please declare.
So we all are the winners. There was no game for winners for this.
Okay.
We were actually about to track that, but we changed it. So
everybody gets a prize. All the 6.
Everybody gets a prize.
No, which was the last one you showed about Hasega, Fasega?
Hansega, Hansega.
हाँ, हंसेगा जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
सब लोग फंस गए ना.
हाँ, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा.
हंसेगा, हंसेगा वो
हंस.
जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
किसको फुंसी हुई?
फुंसी हो गई.
फुनसुक
वांगड़ू.
So if the recording stops, we can twist this also.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm officially stopping the recording now.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Thank you so much for coming, and we'll meet in 2021 with a bang.
Yes.
Yes.